Hello and welcome to Tutorials Point. Today in conversion rate optimization, we will discuss about landing pages. What is a landing page, why we need a landing page, what are the purpose of a landing page, so on and so forth. Let's get started with it. What precisely in the first place landing page is all about? Landing page is a page where the user comes either organically or through paid advertising through an email link. These are the different ways of actually a user lands upon a landing page. The landing page precisely is made to drive traffic to with a purpose and objective of making a sale or sign up or for a particular reason where the user engagement is necessary, so that the landing page will actually provide the kind of information that the user is looking for with a particular purpose and a particular specific need. Why we need a landing page in the first place, and these are actually the reasons why we need the landing page. Make sure the user reach to a specific page by providing specific information. If you have a company and your company is offering certain products and you want certain product or one particular product to reach an intended audience or targeted audience, what we do is we actually built a landing page specifically focused on that particular product by providing the complete information, the entire information of that particular product, so that the user lands on that particular page with an objective of knowing more about that product. This is actually making a specific page providing a specific information related to a particular product or the information. To be concise, precise with an objective of targeted marketing. This is basically what landing page is all about. The objective and a purpose of landing page is all about. It has to be concise, it has to be precise with an objective of targeted marketing. If a user is looking for a particular product and when you are aware that the intended targeted audience are these people, you send an email to them or you do a paid advertising to them or you generate traffic either organically, so that when the user clicks on the link, whether organically through paid search engine or through an email link, the user eventually ends up at the landing page with a specific purpose. To ensure that the user reaches to a point to solve a specific problem. If I am actually looking for a particular service, a particular solution or a particular product or kind of an information that I need to solve my problem, what I do is I either go through organically or I do go through a paid advertising or I go through a email link. And when a user actually uses any of these sources to reach to a particular point to solve a problem, the user's problem is resolved and the landing page will also provide the kind of information that is needed for the user. It is an engagement between a company and a customer. Creating a perfect landing page. What are the key ingredients of creating a perfect landing page? These are some of the key ingredients. Make sure the headline is perfect. It is most important that when you create a landing page, have a compelling headline that actually captures the imagination of the users or the visitors who actually ends up at the landing page. This is a very, very important point. Key points at the top. The user, generally we see the visitors who come to our websites or the landing pages, they do not have much time and they do not spend much time actually understanding what this website is all about or what this landing page is all about. It is extremely crucial and essential for us to understand that the key information related to any product or a service or a solution that you are offering on a landing page, the key points have to be at the top. CTA at the top and the bottom. This is actually a debatable issue whether we should have the call to action at the top or the call to action at the bottom. Usually predominantly overwhelming majority of landing pages have the call to action at the bottom or sometimes in the middle also, so that the landing page keeps reminding the customer or the prospective customer what action to be taken. It is actually a good practice to have the landing page to have the call to action at the top and the bottom as well. Content to be specific and targeted, preferably with bulleted points. Do not write a long copy, long paragraphs, long copy do not make any sense as far as landing pages are concerned, whatever the content that you provide on the landing page, the content has to be concise, precise, to the point and in bulleted points. Use images judiciously. Images play a very crucial and critical role in landing pages. What we need to do is we need to have the images integrated within the landing pages between paragraphs. Images speaks a lot of information so that the user can engage with the landing page. Images play a very important role, and use images judiciously. Add testimonials. If I end up at a particular landing page and if I am looking for a particular service, solution or a product, what I would like to know is what is the services, solutions, product that this landing page is selling and who are their customers. I actually gain confidence by the kind of customers this particular company who is providing this information on the landing page have this many number of clients. A good testimonials play a very important role in a landing page. Test page before the campaign, extremely important. Test in the browsers, test in the across the machines, whether it is a desktop or a laptop or a tablet or a smartphone, because multiple users use multiple browsers and multiple machines. Test the cross check everything, making sure that the content is perfectly alright, the images are perfectly alright, and the landing page appears clearly, crisply across all machines. A testing before you run the campaign on a landing page is extremely important. Deliver on what is promised. We promise a lot of things on a landing page from top to bottom. What are the services we are offering, how the services are beneficial, how the customer can actually use the services or a product for their own benefit, the objectives. Lot of information is actually provided on the landing page in terms of the content, in terms of videos, in terms of images. What you promise has to be delivered. That is actually the bottom line. As long as you keep on your promises that you are making in the landing pages, deliver those promises. This actually leads to a lot of sales in the future. So these are the key ingredients of a perfect landing page. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what is a landing page, why we need to use a landing page, and creating a perfect landing page. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.